ICSE Mathematics Class 10 Chapter 7 Proportion Exercise 7b. Question number 10. If Q is the mean proportional between P and R, so that PQR into P plus Q plus R whole Q equal to PQ plus QR plus PR whole Q. Answer 10. Q is the mean proportion of P and R. P is to Q is equal to Q is to R. P by Q is equal to Q by R. QR square is equal to PR. Left hand side PQR into P plus Q plus R whole Q. PRQ into P plus Q plus R whole Q. Q square PR is equal to Q square. So Q square into P plus Q plus R whole Q. QQ into P plus Q plus R whole Q. Then Q into P plus Q plus R whole cube equal to PQ plus Q square plus QR whole cube. PQ plus PR, QR square equal to PR plus QR whole cube. PQ plus QR plus PR whole cube is equal to right hand side. Question number 11. Three quantities are in the continued proportion, so that the ratio of the first to the third is duplicate ratio of the first to the second. Let x, y and z are in continued proportion. X is to y equal to y is to z. X by y is equal to y by z equal to k. X y square is equal to xz. We have to prove x is to z is equal to x square is to y square, because duplicate ratio of x is to y is equal to x square, y is to y square. We have to prove that x is to z is equal to x square is to y square. Left hand side x is into is to z equal to x by z, x by y square by x into by 1 into y, x by y square. Therefore x square by y square is equal to x square is to y square, that is right hand side. Question number 12. If y is the mean proportional between x and z, so that x square minus y square plus z square upon x to the power minus 2 minus y to the power minus 2 z to the power minus 2 is equal to y to the power 4. Answer 12. Y is the mean proportional between x and z. X is to y is equal to y is to z. X by y is equal to y. Z is equal to k. Left hand side x square minus y square plus z square. Y square is equal to xz. S square minus y square plus z square. X square minus y square plus z square upon x to the power minus 2 plus minus y to the power minus 2 plus z to the power minus 2 equal to x square minus y square plus z square upon 1 by x square minus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square equal to x square minus y square plus z square. LCM is x square y square z square, y square z square minus x square z square plus x square y square. x square minus y square plus z square by 1 is equal to x square y square z square upon y square z square plus x square y square minus y x square z square. So x square minus y square plus z square by 1 into x square by square z square upon y square, common z square plus x square minus y to the power 4, because y square is equal to xz, so x square z square is equal to y to the power 4, and y to the power 2 is common, z square plus x z square plus x square minus y to the power 2, because y square is common. So x z square plus x square minus y square is equal to z square plus x square minus y square is cancelled out by z square plus minus y to the power 2. So x square y square is cancelled out by y square, x square is equal to z square equal to y square to the power 2 is equal to y to the power 4 is equal to right hand side. That's all.